Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix blurry text issue in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very simple problem and I give the simple solution. Here is my Windows 10 and here we find my all text are blurry. This is our problem and solution is very simple. Go to the start and here type appearance. Adjust the appearance and the performance of Windows. Type this, click at here. Here we find many options. Most IMP option is smooth the edge of the screen font. If it's unchecked, then check it. And second is if you want to check this, then check this. Let Windows choose what the best for my computer. Select this and select this also. Smooth edge of screen fonts. Click on apply. Click on OK and here we find our problem is solved. Our blurry text is now normal. So guys, this is the simplest way to solve this simple problem in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.